Sanitaire Unit Demo. Models RS72, RS140, RS435, and RSA760. Unpacking. After removing the sanitizer from the box, place it on a level surface in the center of the room. Note, this may require 2 people for larger units. Visually inspect the unit and power cord for any damage. Unlatch the clips and carefully remove the cover. Inspect contents to ensure nothing is missing. Sanitaire models RS72 through RSA760 are shipped with the following: 1 to 4 Germicidal UV lamps, electrostatic or HEPA filter, wall mounting brackets, and an owner's manual. If unit is wall mounted, center it horizontally on the wall and make sure intake and exhaust are not obstructed. Lamp installation. Caution: be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves when performing this task. Insert lamp into the spring-loaded lamp holder. Align the pin on the other side and slowly release. Repeat these steps for any additional lamps. Unit operation. Plug the power cord into an electrical outlet using an extension cord if needed. The unit will immediately draw air into its stainless steel chamber, expose it to ultraviolet rays, and safely return it to the room. Lamp operation can be verified by looking through the UV blocking sight glass. Safety. All Sanitaire models have a safety switch that immediately disconnects power if the access cover is open during operation. Units can also be custom ordered with a locking switch to prevent unauthorized access to the interior components. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Sanitaire Ultraviolet Disinfection model. Please don't hesitate to contact one of our UV specialists if you should need any further assistance. Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation. Contact us today.